Sodium and potassium are tiny charged particles that control how your body works. Sodium stays mostly outside your cells, while potassium stays mostly inside. Sodium-potassium pump. A special protein called the uses energy to push 3 sodium ions out and 2 potassium ions in. This keeps your cells stable, powered, and ready to send signals. Think of sodium as controlling fluid and pressure, and potassium as controlling electricity and movement, resting membrane and action potential. Your nerve cells work like tiny batteries. At rest, they sit at about -70 millivolts. And potassium is the main ion keeping them stable. When a signal starts, sodium rushes in, making the cell positive. This is called depolarization. Then potassium flows out, bringing the cell back to normal. This is repolarization. This fast ion movement is what creates every thought, movement, and heartbeat. Your heart depends on potassium to keep its rhythm steady. When potassium is too low, the ECG shows flat T waves and extra U waves, and the heart can become weak and irregular. When potassium is too high, the ECG shows tall peak T waves and wide QRS complexes, which can lead to cardiac arrest. This is why doctors always monitor potassium in heart patients. Sodium controls how much water stays in your blood and brain. When sodium is too low, water moves into brain cells, causing swelling, confusion, and seizures. When sodium is too high, water leaves brain cells, causing the brain to shrink and leading to extreme thirst and irritation. Your kidneys are the body's electrolyte managers. Hormones like aldosterone, ADH, and insulin help control how much sodium and potassium you keep or lose. In acidosis, potassium moves out of cells. This delicate balance keeps your nerves, muscles, and heart working properly. This balance is critical for normal brain function. Closing line for every video. Remember, sodium controls volume and the brain. Potassium controls electricity and the heart.